Hey, hi traders, welcome to Traders Hub. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the free trial, 7 days free trial. We are coming with that. So, as I know, as I'm a trader, I subscribe for the different websites and unsubscribe, giving my card details, and I feel like, okay, this is not looking good, this is not suit for me, and then I need to unsubscribe. I need to call them like, hey, I want to unsubscribe because this is not right fit for me, all this stuff, right? So instead of juggling between those things, as we always say, one subscription, one cancellation. So here comes our trial plan. So just sign up the trial plan with us, so you will know that what exactly Traders Hub, is it a right fit for you, or else no, it's not a right fit for you, or else if you want to try something like that. So we are providing everyone like a 7 days free trials. In the 7 days you will get everything access, our website. We have a tons of content in our website. As we always say, it's like everything in one place. We are moving away from the Discord as well slowly, so move it to mobile app. So once we launch our mobile apps, it will be everything in our mobile apps, like a chatting, alerts, everything. So before that, guys, 17.99 is our current pro plan, where I recommend for everyone instead of a basic plan. Basic plan is like just the getting alerts, messages, bot alerts, those kind of stuff. Nothing, you can't chat, you can't ask us a question like that. But I recommend you guys to take a pro plan. Currently it's a 17.99, where it's going to be peak around like a 39.99 in the next couple of weeks. So if once you join that, once you lock with that price until you cancel with us, it will be yours, 17.99. So I highly recommend that, and enjoy our free trial, so you will understand what's inside the Traders Hub. And I'm pretty confident that once you guys joined and enjoy this free trial, automatically you never leave us, for sure. Because, and one more thing, this is not for a lazy people, guys. This is not at all for the lazy people who follows the blindly alerts and taking the call or put, buy, sell. No, not for them. This is the server which have a lot of tools, lot of stuff to educate yourself, to understand the things, to do the stuff by yourself. And we keep alerting you on the education. Hey guys, watch this crossover is going to happen, this is going to happen, here is the buying pressure, here is the selling pressure, something like that. We never say like buy sell like that. We never ever say like, hey guys, just blindly follow our alerts. We ask you to educate yourself. So if you're really willing to learn, this is the best server to join. But if you're lazy to follow some X alerts, no, better not to sign up even for the trial version, guys. So I do that, and let's see like how we need to sign up. So once you go to like a Tradershub.ninja, yep, this is the login page. Let's go to Tradershub.ninja. So once you land to this page, this pop-up will come. This is the lifetime plan offer is going on. So you can skip this one, and you see like a free trial, right? So if you click on this free trial, it asks you to the registration, just the email address and the password, confirm, that's it. No need to give any card details, card payments, nothing. Don't worry, nothing. So once you sign up, automatically it will take you to the login page. Okay, so let me show you how to connect after the login page. So this is the page where you're going to land. So once you land this page, give your ID and the password, just click on the login. So once you log in, you will see like a tons of content in our website. So see, like a watch list, daily levels. This daily levels will be posted on all the stickers every day evening, like 7:30 p.m. around that time. And today's market, how the market is going on, how the social sentiment is going on. Here you can see like a top 7 tickers moving, and here is the top 3 small cap news. Like you guys know that small cap is very important in when you're doing penny stocks, right? So those are the news will go. And here is the boards, like a lot of indicators. Once you join with us, once you shared like your trading view ID, so we will add you to our top 5 indicators, which will help you to identify like options, support, resistance, futures play, and then trend lines. So these all indicators, you will get the free access for trial version as well for 7 days. And after that, like you can do like paper trading with this. You guys know that you need to educate yourself, right? So use the paper trading, and for everyone will get like a $1 million, and they can start playing with that $1 million. And here you guys can follow all these guys, all of our subscribers, so you guys can start following them and understand like what exactly they are playing around, what exactly they are watching, something like that. It's same like a Twitter. You can start following them and understand what exactly they are also doing. And in education, we have a tons of content, videos, and then you can download tons of book, like thousands of book here just with the one click. If you click on this one, automatically it will get download for you. And you can look for any stock, whatever you want to see, like more details about that stock, like specifically what that stock was doing, and what is the financial credit, financial stuff related to that stock, and how it behaving last 1 minute. More buyers are coming or sellers are coming, like how far last 5 minutes candles look, like how the one day looks like, what's the ratio of it. You can see that, and you can see like highlights, share strategies, and then financial highlights as well here. And you can see like more stuff like earnings reports, what happened, revenue, earnings as well. And if you want to know about only that specific stock news, you can watch them as well in this tab. So all this information you can see over here on looking like different stocks. And we have a dashboard where it specifies like a complete picture about the today's market, how the trend was going, like how the market is juggling between like how the index is commodity, what Wall Street bets are talking about, what are the stocks they are mostly talking about, and how the things was going, like a summary snapshot like that. And not just that, like we have a chart where you can see, like instead of going to trading view, here only you can watch any tickers like directly. Okay. And short interest, like what are the short interest stocks, how much percentage they are doing now, and the 50 weeks high low options, cryptos, everything. And this is the calendar where we have everything in one place again. Like you can see earnings of that day, economy on that day, and IPOs of that day, like dividends of that day, like that. You can switch between the dates in that week, and you can see like what exactly going inside the calendar. And you have a news session as well here, like a general news, crypto news, or else like if you want to know about the small cap news as well, like everything you can see in this tab. And what else, like a filter, like a stock scanner, you can filter the stocks depend upon your filter, like a beta or as market cap, dividends, volume, depends on that. You can filter it, and you can watch that specific stock. And we have, as I keep on saying, like everything in a one place. And we are moving from the Discord to here, right? So here we are bringing the chat system as well. We are launching that maybe next week, and the mobile apps also come with this, so they both are tightly coupled with each other, so it will be easy for all of you to chat, to get the notifications, everything. So once we land here, like you can chat with all the members. Still it not went into live, so we are working on it. And to get all this, like before jumping before this migration, until that time we are doing things in Discord, right? So to be in the Discord, so just click on this, like connect with us. You can see this like a join Discord. So once you click on the join Discord, you will land to our Discord server, where we do like a live commentary, live trading, all of them. So you can see here, so you will land to this Discord page. We have alerts, like a stock alerts. It keeps sending you alerts by support, resistance, and what is the resistance at this point, what is the support in this point, is the support broken or the resistance broken, like that. And all our gains, all our team gains as well. And here is our general chart. It keep alerting you like with the different motivation stuff, and the market open, it will alert you what you need to follow, and it will give you like today's mantra, like that. It do like a lot of crazy stuff here, and it will give you alert what are the today's earnings. And we have a commentary session here, like a lot of analysts with us, so you will get access to all of them. And you see, like we have a TH commentary and a TH chat, where our team will chat here. Today we did like Google, almost it went oh my god, it went crazy, literally crazy. Let's see like where we did. So we did at somewhere like 0.97, and it went to 2.77. It went crazy. So all of those stuff will be chat here, like between team members, and even I keep on alerting to the people, hey, check this one meta, take the one runner, like a lot of stuff will go here every day, like where is a path, if there is a path, do this one, if there is not, do this one, something like that. And we have a couple of other traders, analysts as well, like yesterday they did like Apple, and a lot of stuff will going here. So once you joined us, and we have a futures also, so which this keep on sending you, let's say this is a good time to do the trading, like that. And you see like a lot of stuff here happening. Like one day we did like a $1,600, so in 2 days we did like almost $3,000 to pass the exam. All those stuffs, guys, this is doing really crazy. And maybe if you are interested or not, I just joined us for the free trial. So once you understand if it is looking good and it is a right fit for you, maybe then you can sign up. Okay, until that we are not taking any of your card details, nothing, right? So just try it. If it is workout, it will be good. Otherwise you can drop off from that trial version, right? Cool. Yeah, thanks guys, thanks watching this video, and shoot me out if you have any questions anywhere, Discord, Instagram, Twitter, anywhere. Thanks guys, thanks for watching the video.